Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to use about polar coordinates. So in this one, I will put about x equals to r cosine theta and y equals to r sine theta. D8 we need to transform into r dr d theta. And now we need to graph about this one and this one. So we need to select about this one in here. So we put the power number 2 for the both side. To cancel the square root, and we have x squared equals to 4 minus y squared. So I will put this one go to the left. So we know that this is about the circle with the center 0, 0 and the radius in here, that is about the square root of number 4. So we have number 2. Now we need to graph about this one. So this is about the circle in here. So we have number 2, this one negative number 2, negative number 2. So we can see that s between negative of the square root of 4 minus y squared and the positive of number 4 minus y squared. So this is about the negative of the square root of 4 minus y squared. This is this one. And the positive of the square root of 4 minus y squared, that is this one. The next one, y between yes 0 to number 2. So that should be about this one in here. So the region we need to focus, that is this one. Now we need to put the bounds go in here. So x we transform into this one, y we need to transform into this one, d8 we need to transform into this one. So if we put everything go in here, so we have r to the power of 5. So because we have r to the power of 2, y we got about r to the power of 2, d8 we have another r. So that's why we have r to the power of 5. The next one we have cosine theta square, sine theta square, and we have dr d theta. About dr, that is from 0 to number 2. So that is about the radius of the circle d theta. So we start at number 0 and we stop at b from in here. So that should be about from 0 to b. And now we need to calculate this one. So this one we calculate for dr, and this one that is for theta go in here. So we can put like this. That should be about from 0 to number 2, r to the power of 5 dr. We put this one go in here. And the next one, that is about the integration from 0 to b. And we put this one go in here. This one we can calculate first, and we have r to the power of 6 over number 6. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. So number 2 we put in here, number 0 we put in here. Now about this one, we can put about number 2 to the power of 2, and we have 1 over 2 to the power of 2. So that should be like this. So this one, that is about sine 2 theta. So we have 1 over 4 we put in here. So we have the formula. Now, capital A, that is about 2 theta. So 2 theta multiplied by number 2, we have number 4. And this one, that is about 1 minus cosine 4 theta over number 2 d theta. So number 2 and number 4 we put outside, so we got 1 over 8. So we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have theta. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 sine 4 theta. So we put 0 and b. So we put b go in here, number 0 go in here. So we have b over 8. Now we combine with this number we just calculate in here. And this one, that is about 32 over number 3. So this one multiply this one, and we got 4b over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.